Hey everyone, welcome back to Chanel Romaine Art. I am taking you along this journey as I create an abstract piece. I did not think about this prior to creating it, I just went with the flow. And it's very simple and easy DIY paint project. I have a 16 by 20 canvas. All of the colors that I use will be in the description box. And I will also at the end of this video show you all how I went about framing it. So I give you like 3 different framing options. Well, 3 different colors with the same frame. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this. If you like it and if you'd like to see more, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And right here, I don't know what I was doing. I was just playing around with something. But yeah, please, I hope you all enjoy it. So what you see me doing right now is simply scraping off that wet paint with the side of the palette knife, while also adding at the same time iridescent copper.